Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi, Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Damia Elman. Today I'm going to show you how to do an English breakfast using eggs, which is going to be very delicious and easy to make. So there's going to be 3 ways. Number 1, we're going to poach. Number 2, scrambled. And number 3 is omelette. So let's get started.
I've been waiting for this one. Turn it up.
But before we start cooking, we need to go through some details about our uniform and also our cleanliness. So number 1, as we know, we need to cover our head. So usually people will use a hat, but since I'm wearing a hijab, I'm just going to stay with it. The reason why is to prevent from your hair falling into your food. Okay, and then number 2, you need to wear a chef coat to protect you from any heat or spills. Number 3, you need to have an apron because it's act as a sanitary barrier between you and the food. Number 4, you need to take off all your accessories, jewelries, and watch. Number 5, is it number 5? Okay, number 5, you please make sure that your fingernails are short and clean, and do not use any fake nails or nail polish. If you already go through all the details, now you can start cooking. First thing first, we are going to talk about the ingredients. So here we have 2 slices of wholemeal bread, some butter, 2 tomatoes. For protein, we have sausage, then we have some mushrooms. Here we got 5 eggs, 1 for poach, 2 for scramble, and another 2 for omelette. Then we have black pepper, some salt, vinegar, and here we have 2 tablespoons fresh milk, and lastly olive oil. So after we have all the ingredients, we're going to do some cuts. For the bread, we're going to slice it into 2, to cut it into 2. Then we're going to cut the mushrooms. And please make sure that you wash it first. Then you're going to cut it and you're going to slice it into an X shape like that. And then the same things that we're going to do for the sausage, we're also going to do X from the top all the way to the bottom. Yep, like that. And for the tomatoes, we're going to cut it into 2, like this. I'm going to use this pan that puts some olive oil. So first we're going to toast the bread. While waiting for the bread to toast, I'm going to boil this pan. Then you want to flip it over. You want to ensure that you toast the bread until it gets all crunchy. So once you're done with the bread, you add more olive oil. Then you can sprinkle some salt, add more olive oil. So once you fry it, it's now ready to put in a plate. Then you want to fry the sausage. For poached egg, we're gonna need a pan of simmering water, and we're going to add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. As you can see, I changed the pan because the earlier one is too small. It's gonna be difficult for me to do the poached. Then we're gonna spin around and make a vortex, as you can see. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So there goes the egg. Then you want to precisely leave it for 2 minutes, because very small amount of time can make a very big amount of difference. You want to have the white sort of wrapping around the yolk as much as possible. Right now we're making scrambled eggs. We're going to use 2 eggs, alright, cracked in. I'm going to add milk. I'm going to stir it. You need to be well combined. Put a little bit of salt. I'm going to use nice butter and the same non-stick pan. I'm going to be very gentle until the foam dies down. Then the eggs going in. What I'm going with this technique is a very silky, soft, large curd scrambled egg. I'm stirring around, scraping the sides, keep pushing the eggs back and forth. So you can see a little bit still wet on the top. Alright, and we are done. Right, so now for the omelette. All the steps are the same with the scrambled egg. I'm using 2 eggs also. Let all the eggs in. Scrap it all. I'm gonna do the scraping on the side. This one you might wanna. Alright, then you're gonna wait. Then you wanna flip it. Voila! Yay! Now you have a complete poached egg, scrambled and omelette. So I hope you learn a lot from this video and you can do your own English breakfast with eggs. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!